Hi,
PCOM
family.
I'm Riley Alvaro here at PCOM's Philadelphia campus. This year, we're celebrating the 125th anniversary of the college with a moment wall at all of our 3 campuses. Let's take a closer look at some of the segments in PCOM's history. Meta Christie graduated in 1921 from the Philadelphia College of Infirmary and Osteopathy, now called the Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine. Dr. Christie was PCOM's first African-American student to graduate, and she was also the first African-American doctor recognized by the American Osteopathic Association. Now, over to you, Daniel.
Thanks, Riley. So if you take a look here, we have a schematic diagram of PCOM Georgia in 2005. It was actually an old abandoned clothing warehouse that turned into an educational facility. So if we take a look over here, we have an old pharmacy typewriter. So what makes it a pharmacy typewriter, you might ask? It actually contains pharmacy symbols that had certain units and measurements for pharmacy prescriptions. Now let's take it over to Moultrie at PCOM South Georgia.
Thanks, Daniel. Opening in the fall of 2019 in Moultrie, with the mission to address the need for healthcare professionals in rural areas, PCOM South Georgia is the college's newest location. This is a commemorative miniature gold shovel that was presented as a souvenir to guests who attended the groundbreaking ceremony for the campus site on April 26, 2018. The campus opened on August 6, 2019, and classes began for the first DO students on August 12. Thank you for joining us for a little bit of PCOM history. Don't forget to stop by and take a selfie to share on social media with the hashtag PCOM125.